I'll do it again now. See? I don't know if they came out now, I don't know. There's a reason I feel all tingly in my hands this time. Like. Yeah, I just, yeah. Yeah. So there's that. That's pretty exhilarating, I can certainly say. Well, I'm like, oh, things are happening. I don't know. Yeah, and again, I don't know if that's coming out on what on the thing, but that if I did that one as well, there's light doing heaps of things on the side of me as well. Because the ones I'm doing where I'm like pushing up like this before, it's a different sort to the normal lightning, right? Not like that. Yeah. Oh, fire! I'm not sure if I'm just discovering this, but I've been suspecting this for some time. That's why I've been telling my mate Arthur, okay, YZ, he knows why. Yes, it's okay, dude. Oh, well, that's coming out. No, really, not fudge. It's not really about that. It's just, anyhow. It's these ones that come down here though, so the bolts when I like, that was, I've never known any. Yeah, that was, wow. That was, like I literally like, the noise and that I ran in the freaking house. Like it was yellow and the bluey colour right here when that happened. Oh, do you see that? Oh. And look, you know what it is? It's like it's when we push for orbs and we do it. It's the same. It's the same. It's all the same. It's the same. It's the same. It's the same. Yeah, and they look like they're stars far away, but no, they're here, right here with us. Everything's close. Everything's us. I keep saying it, but anyway. I'm actually talking to myself at this point, but that's all right because everything's myself anyway. It's us. Oh fuck. Oh, far out.